What good Thursday morning. Hope you enjoyed the nice warm weather out there yesterday. Yes, it's going to be warm again by later this afternoon, but our main focus today is going to be those winds and also our fire weather threat that is affecting millions throughout West Texas into Oklahoma, even up to Kansas and New Mexico as well. Very large area. All those areas highlighted in pink are under that red flag warning. Dry, windy and warm air that is in place will lead to an elevated to critical to even extreme fire risk for us here in the South Plains. Also want to mention that our far northwestern counties, Palmer, Castro, as well as Bailey, and our eastern New Mexico counties, Clovis as well as Tatum, are under that high wind warning. By later this afternoon, beginning around the lunchtime hour, extending until 6 p.m. Gusts in those areas could be up to 60 miles per hour. Blowing dust definitely a possibility throughout today. Quick traffic check for you. Very quiet conditions. Winds not breezy right now whatsoever. They're actually very calm along the interstate. Looking good. No issues to speak of. Traffic is still relatively quiet out there, and those temperatures fairly mild as well. We've only dropped into the upper 40s here in Lubbock. Other spots still in the low to mid 50s. Probably need a light jacket as you head out the door by later to this morning, but by the afternoon, warming right back up into the 80s. Here's a check of your winds out of the west and the southwest. Like I mentioned to you, not bad whatsoever, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but brace yourself because by later this morning and into the early afternoon hours, that's when things are really going to be picking up. Sustained winds for most of us, 25 to 35 miles per hour, but those gusts at times 40 to 50. Blowing dust, possible visibility will be low in spots. Cooler by tomorrow, though, as a cold front swings through the area. As for today, we'll see the winds out of the west and the southwest really picking up thanks to the surface low off to our north. Cold front swinging through during the overnight hours, and by tomorrow morning, it's going to be cold and then really feeling the cool air in place by tomorrow afternoon as we finish out your week. About a 20-degree temperature change from today compared to tomorrow. As for that fire weather conditions throughout our area, most of us are under that extreme risk. Some places off the Caprock critical, but still, bottom line, any fires that develop will rapidly spread throughout the afternoon hours today. As for temperatures, low 80s, we will remain breezy and windy throughout the later portion of the day as well. And then overnight, we'll drop right around freezing after that front moves through, really pushing in that cooler, more seasonal air. Feeling like winter again tomorrow morning, low 60s by tomorrow afternoon. Still going to be very windy, and I think we will still have critical fire risks in place. Sunshine as we start your weekend, and also feeling cooler as well with highs in the mid 50s.
And so really all day long people are going to have to deal with this wind, right?
Yes, not bad right now. So your morning commute, you're in the clear. However, by the time we pick up closer to around the lunchtime hour and throughout the afternoon and into the evening, that's when the wind is going to be a factor. The blowing dust making visibilities in spots definitely very low out there.
All right, thanks so much, Kelly.
Yeah.